Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a leak down tester for less than $20. I'm going to show you all the item numbers from Harbor Freight Tools so you can go and buy the same things. To make this work, you're going to need a compression tester hose, just like this one, that will basically thread on top of the your cylinder head where the spark plug goes. Now I will put everything together so you can see how it looks once it's finished. To ensure a proper seal, you're gonna need some of these tapes. It's a regular tape for pipe fittings, so everything is going to be airtight. And this is how it's going to look once it's finished and everything is threaded in and tightened up. So you're going to have the regulator here and the other reading gauge. Our leak down tester is almost ready. What we are going to need to do right now is basically fill up this fitting halfway through it with epoxy. This particular one dries in 5 minutes, but I will give it 10-15 minutes before I start doing basically the next thing, which is creating a hole. So next step is placing this fitting onto a surface, something like this maybe, and mix up the epoxy and fill it up halfway. Okay, I just poured the epoxy into the fitting, 1/4 inch fitting. As you can see, it's pretty much halfway full. Now let's let it sit for I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. Let it cure a little bit, and then we get back to it. Okay, 30 minutes later, the epoxy is finally cured. Now we are going to drill a 1 millimeter hole, or 40 thousandths of an inch hole, with this teeny tiny drill bit in order to create a obstruction, an obstruction into the airflow, so this whole thing will work. This is what it looks like with a 1 millimeter hole in it. Can't really see this side, but now we are going to put everything together. This is what the finished product looks like. This hand goes to your air compressor. Female goes to your compression tester hose, just this one. Obviously this hand goes to on top of your cylinder head where your spark plug is, with the necessary adapters obviously. And that's how you make a leak down tester from all the items from Harbor Freight. It costs pretty much $20 to make if you already have the compression tester. Otherwise you are going to need to buy one of these hose. And that's all. Thanks for watching. One more thing, before performing your leak down test using your compression tester hose, you need to remove the shredder valve, which is basically a one-way valve. You can remove this one very easily with one of the tools you use to remove valves from your motorcycle or your car tire. It's the same thing basically. That's all.